Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to sign into your VPN account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already downloaded VPN app in your device. This is very simple and easy process. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your VPN app. Here I will be using Turbo VPN. Here I am opening it. Now at the top left corner, you can see three horizontal lines. Tap on that. If you are using any other VPN app, also you can see their option of sign in. Tap on that. And then you have to enter your email and password to sign into it. Now here I will be entering my password. After you fill up this information, you have to tap on sign in. You can see that I have easily signed into my VPN account. In this way, you can also easily put your email and password and sign into your VPN account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.